Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a piece of tech that might seem simple, but it's absolutely crucial for anyone using a high-quality USB microphone, the Arzweyk USB Type-C data charging cable cord. This particular cable is designed with specific users in mind, especially those rocking popular gaming and streaming microphones like the HyperX Quadcast 2, Solocast, Quadcast S, the TONOR TC30, or the Elgato Wave 3 mic. One of the first things that immediately stands out about this Arzweyk cable is its impressive 10-foot length. For anyone who's ever struggled with a short, restrictive cable, they know the pain. A 10-foot cable offers incredible flexibility, allowing users to position their microphone exactly where they need it, without being tethered to their PC or console. Whether the setup is a sprawling desk, a standing desk, or even a more complex streaming rig, this length provides the freedom to optimize the workspace and achieve that perfect mic placement for crystal-clear audio. No more awkward stretches or having to rearrange an entire setup just to accommodate a short cord. Beyond the generous length, the Arzweyk cable isn't just about reach, it's about reliable performance. As a USB Type-C cable, it's built to handle both data transfer and charging, which is essential for these modern condenser microphones. Users can expect a stable and consistent connection, ensuring that their audio signal remains pristine and uninterrupted during critical gaming sessions, live streams, or recording podcasts. There's nothing worse than a dropped connection or audio glitches due to a subpar cable, and this one aims to eliminate those worries. The data transfer capabilities mean that the microphone's full potential for high-fidelity audio capture is realized, without any bottlenecks. The compatibility list is a huge plus. Knowing that this single cable is specifically engineered to work seamlessly with such a wide range of top-tier microphones, from the HyperX Quadcast series, known for its versatility, to the professional-grade Elgato Wave 3, gives users peace of mind. It removes the guesswork of finding the right cable and ensures optimal performance for these specific devices. It's not just a generic USB-C cable, it's a tailored solution. In terms of build quality, while not explicitly detailed, the expectation for a cable designed for such critical applications is durability. A good cable should withstand the rigors of daily use, coiling, uncoiling, and general handling without fraying or failing. The Arzweyk brand, by offering a specialized product like this, suggests a focus on providing a robust and dependable accessory. For anyone looking to upgrade their microphone setup or simply replace a worn-out cable, this 10-foot Arzweyk USB Type-C cord presents itself as a highly practical and effective solution, offering both the reach and the reliability needed for an uninterrupted and high-quality audio experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.